Module 6, Building the Individual Teaching Modules with Multimedia. In our last module, we saw how to build individual teaching modules as text-based items. You saw we produced 7 out of 8 modules there. Now I'm going to show you how to build individual modules with multimedia. In this case, with a Windows Media Player video file. So here I am back to my portal with HSC 001, which is my course. We'll go to the curriculum and here you see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the modules we've created so far. I'm now going to create a new Learn page again. And here it is down the bottom here, and I'm going to click on the Edit button. Wait for this to come up. And here we are, the new Learn page. I'm going to click on the Edit button here. And we're going to call it Item 1, Introduction. And save this away. I'm also going to put just a little bit of content in here. I'm going to put a bit of rich text in here, just to let people know that the item below is a multimedia movie and will take a short time to download. And I'm going to save that away. And there you are, just a little bit of item. I'm now going to insert some more content, and this time multimedia. There are a number of options here. You could have Windows Media, QuickTime Video, some odd sound files if you had an MP3, an audio file, Flash or Shockwave. I'm choosing Windows Media here, and I'm going to browse on my computer to find it. And I'm browsing through, and here it is. So open this up. I'm going to find out what size it is, first of all, just by coming out of this for a moment. And by doing a Control-I on the item, I can see that the dimensions are 792 by 588. That's what I'm interested in. And we're back in here. So I'm going to put 792 to 588 here, and I'm going to click on the Insert button, and we'll see it's beginning to upload. We'll return when this is finished. And so here we are, it's finished. And as we scroll down here, and here is our multimedia file. You certainly need to scroll down to see it all. If I now click play, it connects to the media, takes a little while to come down.
Hi there and welcome to Homeschooling 101. This is the introduction. The decision to homeschool.
Now you may not be hearing that there because, as I say, I'm trying to capture a capture, but you can see precisely what you can do by introducing content here. There are so many other things you can do on one of these pages. Let me just save this away for a moment and go to and try to create something else. Let me just, I'm going to go back to curriculum. could create another new Learn page. Here we are, new Learn page, edit mode. You can insert a header here, remember here. But look at the content here. Under rich text is a very interesting feature. You can just type here, although you could go to this option, HTML. Now an HTML editor will come up in a moment. Here we go. And this is an HTML source editor. And you can type in here your HTML code, or indeed if you were to create something in your HTML editor, a nice page with plenty of color and graphics, you could paste that in here and that would become part of your teaching module. The possibilities are really endless here. It's also a useful way to build back-end profits, and when we come to our final module, you'll see how I could use the HTML section of these pages for back-end profits. Let's go back to our curriculum. There's this new Learn page not released. I'm actually going to delete this item. I don't need it. Yes, of course I do want to delete it. Yes. And now I'm going to put things in order. I want to move introduction right to the top, so I'm going to go here. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Let's move this one back up again. You see how that's moved. Move it up again. Move this up again. Move this up again. I'm going to move this all the way up to the top. And there we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All there. Now you can repeat these steps in any order you like, and as many times to create as many Learn pages or modules as your curriculum needs. But here's one course that I've built. Next we're going to move on to building evaluation pages.